Good morning, dear children. On moving further, this is our last video of this chapter. As I discussed you in online classes, I made you notes also for this. Okay. Now we are learning the difference between density and corrosion. Although both the terms are same, but there is only a little difference. That difference is of this phenomenon is occur only in food and this in metals. These metals may be iron also, copper also, zinc. Okay, so only a little difference that if this rancidity will be there, then it will always occur in food. Mostly the food contain fat and oil. Okay, so what will happen in the presence of air and moisture or in open atmosphere? This food having fat and oil gets rancid, and due to this rancidity, the outcomings will be bad flavor, bad taste, bad texture, and some might be smell also. Okay, smell, bad smell. So these are the outcomings of rancidity. So rancidity always occur in food. Okay, now on moving corrosion, the eating up of metal surface, as you see, rusting on iron. This is an example of corrosion. Rusting of iron, the iron becomes brown. Okay, and the quality of iron becomes weak. As you see, the surface of iron becomes weak and its color gets changed in the presence of air and moisture. So if metal is will be there, then the rancidity can be termed as corrosion. Okay, so only a little difference. So corrosion will always occur in metal. So you can say that in the presence of air and moisture, the surface of metal gets perished or destroyed. Okay, so what will be outcomings that the color will be changed. Okay, the strength of metal becomes weak, and these kind of things can be happen. You kept in mind that copper, if gets corrode, its color gets changed. Okay, to the green, little greenish color will be there, and if silver will be there, it becomes black. Okay, and iron brown. So now on moving further, how we can prevent rusting? So prevent rusting or prevent corrosion, you can take some steps like painting. If you will apply painting or paint on the metal surface, it will protect. You can do oiling and greasing also. Okay, there is a process also known as galvanization, coating of zinc. You can also do galvanization. Okay, so mostly nowadays we are making cover of another metal to a metal. Okay, this process is known as galvanization. Electroplating concept is used behind this. Electroplating we will discuss in further chapter. Okay, now to prevent rancidity, you should use antioxidants. Okay, antioxidant in foods, so which can protect them for the further oxidation or spoilage. Okay, you can use table salt also. Okay, you can kept your food in refrigerator. Keeping in refrigerator, it is also safe. Or storage in airtight containers. These steps can be taken. to avoid rancidity. I hope both the concept you have learned properly, and I provide you notes also. Just read it and just revise it. Okay, both the questions are very very important from the point of board. Okay, thank you.